This story is about Grandma, Grandpa, and the tractor. It was also written by Deb Eaton. We had another book called The Three Silly Cowboys that was by the same person. So let's start reading Grandma, Grandpa, and the Tractor. Grandma and Grandpa got a brand new tractor. There is always a job for a good tractor, Grandpa said. And there was. In the spring, the tractor dug up the dirt for planting. Vroom, vroom, vroom. In the summer, the tractor drove big stones to the stone wall. Vroom, vroom, vroom. In the fall, the tractor got all the pumpkins into the barn. You say it. Vroom, vroom, vroom. In the winter, the tractor pushed all the snow off the driveway. Grandpa kept the tractor in the shed. He put a blanket and rope on the tractor. Time went by, and the farm got bigger. The little tractor could not do all the jobs anymore. In the spring, a big new machine dug up the dirt for planting. In the summer, a big new truck drove the stones to the stone wall. In the fall, a big new machine got all the pumpkins into the barn. And in the winter, a big new plow pushed the snow off the driveway. The tractor was in the shed. So was Grandpa. I guess we both are getting old, he told the tractor. No, said Grandma, not yet. So she took off the blanket and the rope. There's always a job for a good tractor, she said. And there was. Vroom, vroom, vroom. The end. That was Grandpa, Grandma, and the tractor.